I'm Renee, and you're watching Island House Handmade. On Saturday, I went to such a cute event. It was at the Shoals in Southold on the North Fork, and my friend Kelly put on vision board class, and it was so fun. So now I'm home, and I wanted to share with you what it was like. So today's show, I'm talking about Vision Boards 2026. What is your vision for the new year? This is the perfect project to start off the year so that you can plan ahead and accomplish all the things that you've been thinking of. When we got to the event, there was a nice table set up with all local free magazines. She gave us the paper, she gave us a glue stick, paper, scissors.
Two of them? Yeah. Oh, this one. I guess we could share with the
We can bring it back.
Yeah. So let's cut out.
Yeah, cut what you want and then bring back the rest.
Okay.
They gave you a glass of wine and some cheese and crackers, and we sat by the water in the most beautiful setting. Some of the inspiring quotes that I found in the magazines were, like for me, looking and feeling your best is ageless. Another quote that said fresh threads, meaning I want to buy some new clothes. I made a living doing what I love, sewing and designing and fixing ladies' clothing. And now on YouTube, I'll do more of what I love, and I really want to continue doing everything that I love to do in my life. And here's the best one. Making time for my hobbies is essential to my overall well-being and happiness. We got our glass of wine and we just kind of started flipping through the magazines. We were all kind of set, on our own. And so that's why I think this is so easy that you could do at home. It's just you kind of need a little bit of an inspiration to do it. With all your sayings, and if you want a new house, pick a new house picture and put that in the middle. Okay, this is all scenes from the Hamptons and Hamptons Builders. These are things that you want to accomplish. Okay, let's head over to this one. So, here. Are you looking for new lights for your kitchen like I am? I don't need a new kitchen, but I would like lights, like Hilton Head by Boat. That's nice. Look at that scene. You could pull out something like that. Look at this beautiful jewelry. Are you looking for more jewelry? What are your intentions for the year? Getting results. Let's pull that out. This is pickleball. I want to learn how to play pickleball. I'm pulling this out. Look at this. Break through barriers. That's a great saying. You want to learn how to cook? You want to learn how to do barbecue? Pull out some barbecue pictures. Anything you're looking to do. Now we have this Low Country Home magazine I could go through. Okay, so I just had a lot of fun with these magazines. This board that I'm making today is going to be all about inspiring retirement and what I want to do when I get there. So I pulled out so many good pictures. I pulled out like home design. What do I want my house to look like in Hilton Head? Now I also picked out, you saw the pickleball courts. I do want to learn how to play pickleball. Well, I definitely want a golf cart. Okay, Hilton Head on the top, and then coastal. Okay, I love farmers markets, so I'm putting that in there. I also think maybe if I got a golf cart, I'll play golf. I could try it. Something to put in there. Okay, some coastal bliss, definitely. These pots, now I always wanted huge pots, so I'm putting that in this vision board. Getting results. We know we want to live coastal. We know we want to fall in love with our home. Hilton Head definitely is a place to consider living. I love these lights in my new home. And so now we just build it. So I'll put this really at the top. That's coastal bliss, eating at the farmers markets. What do I envision my retirement to be like? In the sand. Yes, I want to walk the beach every morning. Definitely, look at that. Have your own golf cart. Now with the glue stick, all you need to do is start putting it on and then layering it up. And you will be creating your exact vision for your future. My 2026 retirement vision board is done. I'm so glad you were able to join me today. This was a really fun project, and I hope that I inspired you to look through some old magazines and come up with your vision. My vision is based on retirement. Who knows when, but I'm pretty sure I want to be down south where it's really warm. Island hopping from Long Island to Hilton Head Island. That sounds good to me. And I have fallen in love with my new house. I have a boat. I have a bike. I have a golf cart. I'll be in the sand. Maybe I'll learn pickleball and golf. Maybe I'll have a doggy on the porch. So these are all fun things to envision. And with hard work and dedication and perseverance, you can achieve all that you dream of. So thank you everybody for watching the show today, and I hope I inspired you to have a creative day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.